guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to combine stick work with boxing. Alright, so as an attack comes on an angle 1, coming in this way. Okay, now I will close in step 45 this way. As I step 45, I'm going to protect myself and do an umbrella. Okay, now let's try that with one attack coming in this way. Okay, one more. Now I'll step, protect myself. Now as my body is facing towards 45, now I turn for my shot. Back, step back, finish with your own angle 1. Let's try that again. So an attack comes, I step 45, I protect myself. Turn your punch, step back, finish with your own attack. Back to position. Alright, one last time. And position. On an angle 2, I will step 45 to my right and I'll protect myself. Okay, one more time. Stepping at 45, protect myself. Here, ready for my shot. Okay, so now an attack comes in on an angle 2 this way. Okay, now I'm protecting myself. Guard. Now I step and he attacks. Do my shot. I step back. Finish. Back to guard. Alright, let's look at number 2 again. So, comes in on an angle 2 to the head. Okay, one more time. I protect myself. Do my shot. Step. Finish. guys, it's combining your stick work with boxing punches, either a jab or a cross, whatever you want to call it. All right, so again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Take care.